everyone. Welcome to Cricket Diaries by Crick Heroes. Thank you for joining us today. Today we have an emerging grassroots cricket star who has been consistent in his performance and played some remarkable innings in his career. Today, let's welcome Naveen Bhatt to know more about his journey so far. Hi Naveen. So how have you been? How this whole time period been with lockdown, not being able to play cricket well? I'm sure you're not able to go step out of the house. Has it been like that?
Yeah, a few months has been like this only, but at the end of the day, either it is cricket or it is fitness. I was more focused on fitness. So I got a time to actually know myself better, try to spend good time with my family. Yeah, but
That's wonderful.
I try. This particular time has actually helped me to revive myself, So come to the
That's
basic, come to basics,
That's wonderful. You must share some tips with all of us as well. So it's going to be really helpful. The whole agenda of our conversation today is to actually, we saw some very impressive numbers on your Crick Hero statistics, but but we wanted to actually have the conversation to understand your journey, how it's been, the journey been, and how you've been what are the stories behind those numbers is the reason that we wanted to have the conversation with you.
Okay.
Great. So we're going to start with few questions. And to start with, the one thing we would like to know is when was that moment or when did it start? This whole thing about cricket being a passion, something that you wanted to play for such long time is when did that passion start?
See, it started from the school days as most of the Indians, we Indians face that, cricket is the one game that people relate to. But I played a very quality cricket in my school days. And then what afterward happened that, I went to my higher studies and then my personal aspirations. And that's where I disconnected from cricket. So one fine day, I met with the 3, 4 individual in my society who were cricket fanatic. So we made a team called Northern Star. I'm wearing a jersey of Northern Star, and that's how it started again. So it's been 3 years of corporate cricket now, and I'm enjoying thoroughly. And more than cricket, it is more of a fitness which has come to me. That's the most key part. Yeah.
That's wonderful. That's really nice. And in this whole journey, who's been that one player that who's been like inspiration? You're somebody you were looking up to.
See, if I talk about the international player from where I got an inspiration is that I am a big fan of Saurav Ganguly, and I have always related myself with him because the kind of passion, aggression, and assertion he gets into the game, I am also sort of like that only. And the thing which he has done for Indian cricket, needless to mention. So I always, I always like that video where he take off his shirt in Netflix final and all those things. So I quite relate that. So yes, Saurav Ganguly is one player where I connect myself and I try to imitate him as much as I can.
Did you ever imitate that whole moment at Lords that he, oh,
If 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 this video will be seen by my co-players, or the player from other squads, probably they can give you much bigger idea because I'm very aggressive on the field.
Okay, that's nice. I'm sure you're going to put some comments under the video. That's great. The another question would be always like I said, it's been such impressive statistics that you have 116 matches, 4,000 plus runs. You got some, I think 160 plus wickets, and then again 60 odd catches. So it's been it's such an impressive journey, and I'm sure each of those numbers has a story to tell. But personally, what had been your favorite moment or memorable moment?
I think personally as a batsman, I like to chase. When you're chasing a big total and you come unbeaten and your team wins the game, that's the most satisfying thing. So there was one final we are playing, and that was a very difficult track to bat on. And the opposition team has posted 165 odd runs on the card. So I batted till from first ball to 20th over, and made 91 runs unbeaten, and the result came in our favor. So that was one of my closest inning, which I always cherish. And there is one more inning which I have done last Sunday only. That was I made 164 runs in 61, 62 balls, unbeaten again. So that's something which I will cherish uh, till time immemorial.
That's wonderful. No, I am sure those are those moments, sometimes not your century, but the fact that you could make the team win. I'm sure it's a
Yeah.
great feeling. Great. And if hypothetically I ask you that, is there any particular a bowler that you would like to always international bowler? Why hypothetically? I hope that one day you get a chance. But is there any particular person or cricketer bowler that you want to play against?
See, there is one bowler from the very start until date. I appreciate him a lot for a very simple fact that he is doing his job brilliantly. His name is James Anderson of England. Uh, the one thing which always inspire me about him is that at the age of 38 at the moment, he's dominating the world arena. From the new ball, he's swinging the ball both ways, and from the old ball, reverse swing is there. And the player who has taken more or less more than 600 wickets. So yes, if given a chance, I would like to face him. That's something which is brilliant with him. So Jimmy
That's
Anderson, yes.
great. I hope that that opportunity just comes some way or the other. And the next question I would always would like to know about is, there's there's off season in cricket. I guess during this whole pandemic, there's been that got extended a little too much. But otherwise, just not in the COVID situation, but otherwise, what do you do during the off season? And also, maybe you can tell us during the COVID situation. You mentioned that certain, how there's a lot of story, things that you have grown and went back to basics. So, what is it that you do normally to keep yourself busy in off season and even during this time?
See, I think for the corporate people, generally, if I avoid this COVID situation, we do not have any off season for that matter, because we play on Saturday and Sundays. But if generally when there is a rain which is going on, and if you're not playing, then I would like to spend my time with my kids. I have got two little kids, so I'd like to spend time with them. That's more of a stress buster. And then the major support which I have is my wife Anjali. So she has been a constant support. So I spend time with her. You won't believe that, whenever I buy a new bat, she's the one who signed in that bat and give me wishes. If you want to see, I can show you a bat
Yeah,
where,
please.
yeah. So this is my bat, and you can see this is the
Oh, how
wishes she has
sweet.
written.
What did she write? All the best.
You can just a second. Yes,
So sweet.
I will read.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
the
just
best,
read
my
it
love.
out.
All the best, my love. Happy winning. Always yours, Anjali Negi. So
How
this is
sweet.
the motivation I get in,
No, I think kudos to your wife, because you must be getting she's only getting the weekend with you, and that weekend you're going on playing cricket, but yet she's getting your bat and signing off, wishing you. I think kudos to your wife.
Yeah, that's the most important thing.
Yes, wonderful. So, and I'm sure that is also inspiring for your children to actually, see, you playing cricket, and Mama is also supporting Dad playing cricket. So I'm sure they must be feeling encouraged too. Are they into cricket?
Yes. No, my kids are very small. My daughter is 4.5. My son is 6.
Oh,
So
yes.
so so they just see my jersey. My jersey has got 18 number. So they say that Virat Kohli and all those things. So because 18 number is come from Virat Kohli, so they are too little to comment on anything.
So sweet. So good. And you mentioned a lot of times on, and you give stress on how important fitness is. And like you rightly said, that the fact that you to play for a long time, how important fitness plays in all of our lives. So any tips that you would like to, if I ask you, like, just give 3 tips on fitness to ensure that we play for a long period of time, and you can give that to any of your co-players. So what would those 3 tips be?
I on the spot, I don't know whether I'll be able to synchronize that or not, but I'll give you my regime, how I do my stuff. I get up at 4:30 every day. I hit the ground at 5:15, do my drills and running and stretching for 40-45 minutes, spend 30-35 minutes in the nets doing batting and bowling. So this is my regime. Come back home, eat healthy, eat correct, eat on time, and sleep on time. I sleep 9:30, 10 o'clock. So this is how I manage things. So I think 3 things: early to bed, early to rise, and then you have 1 hour of sweating every day. You should sweat at least 1 hour every day, and you should eat healthy and stay healthy.
So I think that these are very valuable tips and very easily one can. It's not like it's something that takes a lot of effort to do it. I'm guessing, getting up at 4:30 maybe it takes a lot of effort and practice to do that.
Depends, I come from an army background, so all my uncles, my father is from army, so I have been doing it from long time now. So
okay.
Not a big deal.
Okay, great. And of course, I think this has been your story, and it was really nice knowing about a little bit about you, a little bit more about you than what we get to see. And also, a silly question: but are you going to catch up with are you going to watch the IPL this time?
Yeah, I follow IPL.
Okay, you do? Okay. So, and then who is that player that you are actually excited to and waiting to watch?
See, there are a couple of players which I always try to follow them. One is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and another one is Virat Kohli. So for Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he has been out of professional arena from a very long time. So I would like to see that what new he brings in on the field, because he has got enough time off the field. So you must be thinking he's a busy cricketer. So we would like to see that, what he brings in this IPL. And I am sure that he has something to surprise everyone, as he does every time. And Virat Kohli is, I just want to see him bat. I love him. So I just want to see him bat and win the game for his club. Though I'm not supporting his club. Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think we all want to just it's been so long that we haven't watched them play. So we all forward to that. So okay, so you're not supporting maybe that I understood. Now who are you supporting? Delhi is Delhi.
Delhi. Dil se Delhi.
Dil se Delhi.
Yeah. Delhi Capitals.
I hope that Delhi wins and you feel more proud than you have ever been. And but thank you very, very much, Naveen, to have the conversation with you. And I really wish that you have a very, very successful career ahead. And you keep getting a lot of beautiful, those bats from your wife. So it's and please give our best wishes to her as well as to your children. And
for sure.
So thank you very, very much for having this conversation with us.
Thank you very much for having me, Amrita. It's a pleasure. And Crick Hero has been one of that particular app which has inspired us to play better cricket, because everybody wants to see and portray themselves as international cricketer. So it is one platform where everybody can see our number, and we can see our number every day and motivate ourselves. So that's the biggest thing.
That's very nice of you to say that. It's very kind of you. Thank you so much. I'll pass on these message to my team as well. And thank you very much. I'll just switch off the recording right now.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Naveen, for joining us today and sharing your story with us. And for everyone else, see you next time with yet another emerging star from grassroots cricket. Take care. Bye-bye.